everybody, my topic is raw, unpasteurized milk and the health risks connected to it. I learned that while many people believe raw milk is more natural and nutritious, it can actually carry dangerous bacteria like E. coli, Listeria, and Salmonella. What really stood out to me is how the issue connects to both public health and the environment. Before pasteurization was introduced, milk was one of the main sources of foodborne illnesses, and even today, outbreaks still happen. I found it interesting that different states have different laws about selling raw milk, which affects how people are exposed to those risks. Overall, I learned that pasteurization isn't just a safety step, it's a public health tool that helps protect us from diseases linked to farming practices and environmental contamination. The most interesting concept I learned was how closely environmental conditions on farms affect human health. I didn't realize that something as simple as how animals are housed and how clean the equipment is can determine whether milk becomes contaminated. It's really eye-opening to see how small changes in farm management, like better sanitation, clean water, and waste control, can make a difference. I also found it fascinating that raw milk safety depends on so much of the environmental factors, not just the milk itself, but other factors as well. It showed me that environmental health isn't only about air or water pollution, it's also about how our food systems work and how the environment directly impacts what we eat and how safe it is. Raw milk relates to environmental health because it shows how the environment, animals, and humans are all connected. Bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella can come from manure, soil, or water and contaminate milk during production. This means that poor farm sanitation or contaminated environments can directly lead to human illnesses. Environmental health focuses on how our surroundings impact our well-being, and raw milk is a perfect example of that. The cleanliness of the farm, how animals are housed, and how waste and water are managed all play a big role in food safety. Pasteurization helps break that link between the environment and disease, making it not just a food safety measure, but also an important part of protecting public and environmental health. Thank you.